Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. Welcome back. Today I'll be showing us how to fix the invisible zipper without using the invisible zipper footer. So let's get going. This is my zipper. So I'm opening it. This is the front side and this is the back side of the zipper. So the first thing to do now is to open it up. So you open up the zipper and yes, turn to the back side and iron out the flipped area. There's a particular side that is flipped over, so you need to iron it very well to open that side up. So this side now, you need to iron it to in order to open it up at the back side of the zip. So look what I'm doing now. So I'm trying to iron the part in order to straighten it up very well. So make sure you iron it very well to open that flipped area up. So now I'm through with ironing, and here we have what I'm trying to talk about. So the part is well opened now and not flipped over as it used to be. So it is well opened now. You can see how straightened and flattened it is. So this is the first step to do. The first step to take while fixing this type of a zipper. So this is my fabric now. This is where I want to fix it. Is an off shoulder, so I'm fixing it on this opened part. So now the next thing to do now is to take your zipper, open it up, and take the left part of it, the left side of the zipper. So you turn it over from the front side. You turn it to the you face it with the front side of the fabric like this. So the front side of the zipper to the front side of your fabric. So then you take it to your machine and sew. So let it be placed very well, then you take it to the machine and sew downward. So make sure it is well, you hold it very well. By the time you sew it, the sewn area will be flipped over. So you are going to see what I'm trying to say. Let's just sew it downwards now first. So while placing on your machine, you are going to place it on the iron part where we opened up the other time. Is where you'll be sewing your zipper on. That's where you placing your machine footer and sew. So that area that was ironed out is where you are going to sew on. So this fixing this type of zipper is very very technical, and you need to be very very patient while fixing it. So you are going to sew downwards. So you'll be sewing it easy, small 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 small, no rushing, to achieve a better result. So you need to be calm, very calm while fixing this type of zipper, most especially. So when you get to the down part of it, so you'll be sewing it small small. So I don't want to be rushed with it, so that we achieve a premium finishing of this kind of zip. So when you get to the down part of it, you do the same to the other side also. So make sure it is well straightened, like where you stopped at the other side is where you begin at the other side of the fabric too. So you just do same way you did for the other side to the second part as well. So you sew on the iron part, the part we opened up, and the flipped part we opened up while ironing is where you are going to sew now. So you need to sew it downward also. So as I said earlier, you need to be very very patient while sewing this type of zipper. It requires a lot of patience to achieve a better result. So we are going to sew it downward also, just as we did for the other parts. So I'm trying to place it very well so that I'm going to sew on the ironed parts that we ironed out the other time, so that we at the end of the day we have a very um closed finishing. So we are through with it now. So this is our invisible zipper, and when we close it, this is what we have. You can see, despite using a contradictory color, you can see it is well closed, and it's not obvious we used a contradictory color at all. So when you fix it very well, when you do it patiently as shown in this video, you are going to achieve a better result. You can see it is well closed and it sits pretty well on the fabric. So thank you for watching this video. You can see